as I said, I like being disconnected from the internet. So guys, go out there, write down your goal, figure out, and look into the businesses that are going to allow you to do that. Stock trading might require you to slam the keyboard and be present at any time, right? You do not have time freedom. You have location freedom, but not time freedom. So cryptocurrency trading might be out of the picture. Amazon, selling products via Amazon and all this stuff might require a little more, if you really want to do it right and not have a ton of chargebacks, trying to just have them ship stuff from China, you're going to end up with a lot of bad reviews. So you might want to actually have a warehouse or something where you're shipping stuff out of. So Amazon businesses are great, but they have systems, you have to create redundancies, and you'll definitely want to have at least a virtual assistant. You'll probably have to have some sort of stuff and support around that, at least a virtual assistant to manage things, even if you're drop shipping. And that was one of the reasons why myself and Tim Ferriss and other people similar to me have been so attracted to having affiliate marketing related businesses. And I'd say you can do the same with drop shipping too. But they're so sexy because you can create that amazing dream, which is you can have a business that allows you to work from anywhere, work minimal amount of time, 4 hours a week, and basically not have to worry about a million VAs or what have you. Look how beautiful my dog is. So go out there. I'm obviously biased. If you guys are interested in checking out my free training series, links, started offering free training series to help people out, understand the business model, everything you need to get started and actually start making some money. I'm trying to think what else I have to say. Guys, love you guys. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, hit the alarm bell. Oh my God, look how cute she is. Look at this is my wife. And hit the alarm bell. We're gonna be doing some live soon. On the live streams I'm gonna start doing crazy giveaways for people to be a part of my weekly webinars. So want to get more people on my weekly webinars, so you guys can check me out on the live streams. Hope you guys are enjoying the content, and we'll talk soon. As always, comment, let me know you're alive. Peace.
I didn't really believe it at first, but then I did more research and did it myself, and it worked.
I'm freaking excited today. If you guys can tell, I got my first sale. Actually, I got 2 of them.
Hi John, I wanted to take a quick moment to give you a quick testimonial. Yesterday I made my first online affiliate commission. I'm absolutely totally excited, and for the first time I really see that I have a future in this, and I have someone who has my back. So again, John, just thank you so much for your time to just help everybody in the group, and just to give us nothing but value week after week after week. Again, thank you so much.